Back to school, it's time to learn. With Bubby Melon, it's your turn. Are you ready? Let's have some fun. Sing along with everyone. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for bird, flying free. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for dolphin, jumping tall. E is for earth, big and bright. F is for frog, hopping light. G is for giraffe, reaching high. H is for a heart full of joy inside. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for juice, a tasty treat. K is for key, open the door. L is for leaf, green on the floor. M is for mouse, tiny and quick. N is for notebook, where we write with a click. O is for owl, wise and cool. P is for pig, playing in the pool. Q is for queen, with her crown. R is for ring, shiny and round. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tree, blown so high. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for violin, playing sweet refrains. W is for watermelon, juicy and red. X is for xylophone, play it in your head. Y is for yacht, sail in the sea. Z is for zebra, run so free. Now we know our ABCs. Sing along, it's fun and easy. Come back soon and learn some more. With Bubby Melon, let's explore.